Hi everyone, welcome to STEAM Adventures here at the Anaheim Public Library. My name is Juan, and today we're going to be learning all about upcycling. But today, it's going to be Christmas themed. Upcycling is when you take something that's old, that's broken, or you don't really use anymore, and you use it for something else. Last time you made beautiful jewelry that you can wear wherever you want. Today, we're going to be making Christmas ornaments. You're going to need to pick up a kit at your local Anaheim Public Library. Now, you can reserve a kit or request a kit through curbside or through in-person pickup at the Central, Canyon Hills, and Haskett Library. However, curbside is only available at the Euclid and Sunkist branches. Everything in the kit can actually be found in your home and can be recreated. Even if you don't manage to get a kit, you can still follow along with us. Each kit will consist of miscellaneous puzzle pieces, green and yellow paint, some glue, some string, and a Q-tip. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't find a regular Q-tip, so I'm just gonna borrow the one we use for the giant giraffe we have here at Central, because they usually get very dirty. What is upcycling in art? Well, there is no defined artist or specialized artist who made this their whole career. However, in recent years, there have been people who have taken everyday items and made them into something else. In this case, this artist took a series of soft drinks and other cans to make Mario and Luigi from the famous Mario and Luigi video games. This artist took a bunch of plastic grocery bags and made them look like a scary ghost. And this one is made from trash that has been collected on one of California's beaches. All of these artworks have come from the last 5 to 10 years. However, upcycling has more or less existed for centuries. One of the prime examples would be famous artists like Vincent van Gogh or Pablo Picasso would take previously painted on canvases, either their own or ones that they bought on the local market, and then paint over them. Because it was cheaper to use already used canvas than to buy a new one. So in a sense, it was upcycling. In fact, one of Pablo Picasso's most famous paintings was X-rayed recently, and they discovered that there's an entirely different painting on the other side. That's pretty cool, right? Now let's get started. So what I have in front of me is a bunch of leftover puzzle pieces from a puzzle that lost a few pieces, so I can never finish it ever again. Instead of throwing these puzzle pieces away, I'm gonna give them to you, and you're gonna make your own Christmas ornament. Now, here I have already done an outline for a candy cane. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start adding a few more pieces just so I can connect everything. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use a little bit of glue first to connect all the pieces together. So I'm going to just put some glue here with my Q-tip, and then I'm going to add some more. I'm going to pick up another piece. Now I'm going to be doing a candy cane. However, we're going to give you enough pieces that you can do whatever you like. If you want to make a Christmas tree, you can make a Christmas tree. If you want to make a wreath, you can make a wreath. If you just want to make a snow globe, you can. The glue will take some time to dry, so go at a slow pace. You have plenty of time. So after waiting a few 10 minutes or so, the glue is now dry. It might take a little longer for you. If you want to speed up the process, you can place a fan or a heater right over the piece and just start letting it blow so it dries the glue faster, or you can use your breath, whichever you prefer. Now comes the fun part, painting. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your Q-tip, you're just going to dab a little bit of paint, and you're just going to keep painting like so. A little bit of yellow here, nothing too crazy. I guess you could say it's done now. Tempera paint will take a little bit to dry, but this is more or less how it's gonna look. For you, it'll look a little bit different, just like it'll look a little bit different for everybody. Now, I made a candy cane today, but you can also make a series of other ornaments like this. This is a Christmas tree I made earlier, with lights and everything. And at the end of it all, I wrapped it up with a string so I could hang it up on a tree. Now, I only painted one side for this time. See, still has the original stuff on the back. But if you want, you can pick both sides. You'll have more than enough to do so, as you can see. Now with all these puzzle pieces, I was able to make both a candy cane and a Christmas tree. And I still have plenty left over. So I highly encourage you to take these leftover puzzle pieces and make a new ornament. You can make a wreath, you can make a snow globe, you can make just a regular old glass ornament, whatever you like. You can do just about anything. What I also want you to do is I want you to post these beautiful ornaments you're gonna make on our Anaheim Library Facebook and Instagram page using the hashtag AnaheimSteam. I can't wait to see all your beautiful work. I hope you guys have fun, and I'll see you at the library. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to everybody. Bye-bye.